In this video, we are going to see and fix this error that whenever you go to your chat session, it might show you this message, your chat settings prevent you from sending messages. Here's how you can quickly resolve this issue. First of all, we head over to roblox.com on your browser. And after that, you just log in with your ID and go to the right hand corner and click on this gear icon and head over to the settings. Once you do that, you basically click on privacy and content restrictions. And from here, we click on communication, and under the experience tab, you set it to everyone or on, and also make sure that direct messages or direct chat is also on. You go one step back and click on the party and you turn both of them on. If let's say that you are in the group party, it will let you send the message this way. And once we do that, we might need to initiate the browser. If you're playing the game on the browser, or if you're playing it on the app, you need to close it once and then open it again, and it will definitely work for you. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.